In this video, I'm going to show you how you can take a whole deep cure note and have ECW distribute each section into its corresponding field. All you have to do is go into your patient's progress notes when you saw that patient, and you're going to go into the scribe section. And here you're going to paste the whole deep cure note that you generated. Now, the way that ECW is able to do this is by having the note have a certain set of commands, a certain syntax. And if you want to know what the syntax is, you can simply go to I and you'll be able to explore it there. But we already did most of the work for you. We set up a template that will already have this proper syntax in it that will allow ECW to pretty much distribute the note that is made on Deep Cura into this progress note. So if you go to the template library, you'll find this ECW template, and you can save it into your library like I'm going to do here. Pretend you didn't see that ECW template there. Let's pretend I'm saving it for the first time and click save. And then you simply pair it with your audio. I am going to attach an audio here and process it. And while that processes, I'll take the opportunity to show you one cool thing about this ECW scribe is that you can also add a command for orders to have ECW create orders for you. So we've also implemented this into the template where for any orders you mention, Deep Cura is going to write order and then the whatever needs to be ordered, and that's going to prompt ECW to create that order. So I'm going to show you that. Let's just wait for this to finish generating. All right, so what we're going to do, just for illustrative purposes, I'm just going to modify this order section because this is a completely fake patient. So let's say I'm going to order a CBC and I'm going to order lipid profile. Let's keep it simple. Oops, profile. But in your case, you wouldn't have to obviously do that. You probably mentioned it in your recording. So we're going to go ahead and click on the clipboard icon there and paste, and then click on scribe it. Okay, so as you can see, I did get this error message. It's okay, you might get it. It just means that there is something in that note that it couldn't recognize, so it couldn't transfer it over here. But it's okay, it shouldn't be for a lot of the note, and whatever it is that errored out, you can simply manually input it. So as you can see here, it did a CBC and a lipid profile order, and then you can just go ahead and select whatever applies there. I'm just going to close it. So here, what remained here is what it couldn't transfer over. So you can simply manually do that, but it did already most of the work for us here. All right, so again, and it was even able to put in a couple of a CPT code in there. So again, you can find this template in your template library and simply have ECW do most of the work for you. No more individually having to highlight and copy and paste into each section.